Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a puppy dressed up as a ghost.
Yeah, for Halloween. And here's what our drawings look like at the very end. We hope you're really excited to follow along. This one's super fun.
Yeah, this is one of my new favorites.
Yeah. We're using our markers to draw and color with, but you could use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first draw our puppy's nose. We're gonna draw it right here in the middle of our paper, but towards the top, we're gonna draw the letter V. It could also be more of a U shape. Yeah. Then we can draw the top of our puppy's nose and then color that in. Then let's draw the mouth. We're gonna draw a line coming down, and then we're gonna draw it curving out to the side and out to the side. And then we're gonna draw the little hole in our ghost costume. So we're gonna start right here above our puppy's nose. We'll draw a little short curve. Then we're gonna draw it curving down and then into that other side. So kind of curving one way and then back the other way so it comes out on the sides. Yeah, that looks awesome. I like it.
One side is like curving in and the
No, it's all good. The most important thing is
to have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
Practice. And it's okay that our two drawings look different. Yours is still turning out awesome.
Thanks.
Okay, now down here at the bottom, we're gonna draw the little chin or the bottom of the mouth. Okay, now let's draw the ghost eyes. We're gonna draw an oval shape and I'm gonna draw it kind of tipped in. And then we're gonna do that same shape over here in the same size for the other eye. I look like they're cut uneven. And then we can draw the eyes inside. So I'm gonna draw a circle and a circle over here too. And then we can color that in. Next, let's draw the top of our puppy's head. We're gonna draw an upside down letter U. We're gonna go over and then come down. And see, I'm kind of close to the eyes on each side.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And then let's draw it coming down further on both sides. So we're gonna come down a little further and then we'll come out. And then the same thing over here. So this is for the shoulders on our little puppy. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna draw down here at the bottom, we're gonna draw a little line on the inside, on both sides. And then we can draw another line here. I'm drawing them kind of uneven. Then we can draw this curving around. This is for the bottom of the ghost costume or the sheet. Then we're gonna draw this curving in and this curving in. It kind of looks like the legs.
Oh yeah.
And then right here, we can draw this curving in too. And I'm curving it higher. Yeah, that looks awesome. There's our little puppy, except we still need to add the ears so it looks even more like a puppy. We're gonna draw it curving out on both sides. Whoop, and over here. Then we're gonna curve down. And then right at the end, we're gonna curve out further. And then the same thing on the side to match. And then right here at the bottom, we can curve the ears into the costume. Okay, now let's add the little trick or treat bucket right here. We're gonna draw a straight line across underneath the chin. And then we're gonna turn this into a pumpkin. So we're gonna draw a big, kind of a half circle. And then let's draw the handle going into our little puppy's mouth and out on the other side. It looks like he's begging for candy.
Yeah.
Now let's draw a triangle for the pumpkin's nose or the jack-o'-lantern. This one's small, you could color it in too. And then we're gonna draw bigger triangles for the eyes on both sides to match. And let's color those in too. Next, let's draw the mouth, and we can first draw a straight line right underneath the nose, and then we'll draw a square letter U on both sides for the teeth. And then we're gonna draw the mouth coming out further on each side. And then right down here at the bottom, let's draw an upside down square letter U. That's for the center tooth on the bottom of the mouth. And then we can curve up to the corner of each mouth, or the corner on each side. Yeah, we did it. Oh, let's color that in too.
Okay.
Now what's the last thing we need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward again, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Austin, we did it! We finished coloring our little puppies dressed up for Halloween.
Yeah.
It wasn't much coloring.
It was.
Because most of it's white, but it looks really cute. We used our light gray for shading on the sheet to make it 3D,
Yeah.
and also a shadow underneath.
And shading on the pumpkin and the snout.
Yeah,
And the ears.
and the ears.
And the eyes.
and underneath the nose.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And we also colored the ears this golden color. It kind of looks like a golden retriever.
Yeah.
But you can color your dogs any way you want.
You could also add a background.
Oh yeah, maybe your dog is sitting on the front porch.
Oh, yeah.
Waiting for candy.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a puppy dressed up as a ghost.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.